Hello everyone, this is Reshi Ghosh from Freshers Camp, back again with regular updates of job notification, be it IT jobs, diploma jobs, government jobs or any other job notification. We also provide you with regular announcements of off-campus job or walk-in jobs held in all over India. Today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the Accenture Off Campus Drive Recruitment 2023 hiring freshers as new associate. If you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment down any queries, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates. Accenture is a leading global professional services company. It helps the world's leading businesses, organizations and governments to build their digital core, optimize their operation, enhance their revenue growth and also enhance their citizenship. Accenture has announced an off-campus hiring in its official career website. Candidates who are interested can apply from the registration link which have been given in our description box, and all the candidates are requested to go through the detailed information before applying for the post. Fresher candidates having a graduated degree from the batches of 2022 to 2023 can apply for this post. The job location will be Hyderabad and the candidates can expect the salary as per the company standards. Candidates should be able to meet the deadlines and should be able to work in a team, should have agility for quick learning, have strong written and verbal communication skills and also excellent analytical skills. Candidates need to solve routine problems and refer to general guidelines. Should expect interactions between their own team and as well as the supervisor. Candidates will be provided with detailed to moderate mode of instructions on daily work basis. Candidates will be provided detailed instructions on new assignments. Candidates' decision will impact their own work. Candidates will be an individual contributor as a part of a team. Candidates should have focused scope of work. Candidates may be required to work in rotational shifts. So hurry up and fill your registration form as soon as possible and get enrolled in one of the leading professional services company. I hope this video was useful to you. So thank you for watching and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. This is Reshi Ghosh from Freshers Camp. We'll be back again with regular updates of job notification from all over India. Till then, see you.